Hey YouTube, it's 1280. What's going on? Well, I thought I'd make a video of all my garage door remotes and keypads I have. My collection is getting bigger since the last video I made of the collection quite a while ago. So, let's jump into it. Got my Genie IntelliCode model ACT Type 3. This came with that chain light I made a video of before. No battery in it, but that's how you open it. You open that. There you go. Speaking of chain glide, I'm going to be replacing one next week. It's shorting out. You hit the wall button like this, the light just starts flickering and blinking, and it takes it several tries before it finally opens. And it also shorted out and blew out an electrical outlet. So it's time for that chain glide to go. So here's that one. That is probably the quietest chain glide though I've ever seen or heard. So here we have my 953 EVC, made May 2017, this year. I bought this to just test openers with it. Also, actually, part of it was I had someone message me saying their garage door wasn't working with the remotes, just wall buttons. So I figured it would be a circuit board, but I figured I'd buy just a universal remote because they told me what brand it was, and I bought this, and I figured if I program this, or attempt to, and it programs in, then I know it's either a circuit board or something else. But it programmed in, and it started working. All the other remotes started working too, so I thought that was weird. I think it was in lock mode, which is weird. It only had a lighted doorbell button. It didn't even have the lock feature, so how it even got in lock mode beats the crap out of me. Program button right there. Okay. Then we have my Craftsman 41A 7633, made June of 2014. Seen this before. It's goes to both the MyQs openers on the AMARS. Okay. 953 CD. 3-button. The FCC label is here, but it's worn. Nothing there. Almost brand new clip. Okay. My Chamberlain 953 ESTD. Oops. Also made June of 14. So, there's that one. Then we have my Chamberlain 953CB, but I put a 315 cover on it, just like this one is a 315 cover. Just got another one and put it on here because it looks cool with the white buttons. No FCC ID. Okay. Saving the 2 new ones for last. Oh, I forgot one more. It's on my keychain. Okay. My Craftsman 53778. SEC label's completely messed up, but it's still stuck on there. No battery in it. It's not like the battery's dead. It's not in there. Code switches, which are not set to anything, so I'm not worried. That was just a test code. And I had a dip switch opener. That was the test code for it. Okay. My 53779 Sears Craftsman. FCC label was a little warm, but still completely legible. October 1992. Still got a really good click to all the buttons. Well, these two are more worn than the big one, but You can still hear it. And the difference between this one and this one, besides its size, is one has code switches, one does not. Okay. Got a, I don't know why how that even got there. A Guardian 2-button model. If I can get it off the freaking thing. Model. This thing is being a bitch. Sorry. Model 303 RTX. Wire clip. I don't like this. It slides way too easy. Okay. So far. My Chamberlain, brand new Chamberlain 850 CB, made December 1994. No battery either. Literally brand new. Never programmed to an opener. Never used. Just the buttons. I pushed the button. That's it. That's all it's ever had. A little scratch right there, but that's alright. Keypad. Chamberlain 940D-01, January 2015. Or this is also the equivalent, Chamberlain equivalent to the 377LM. And the, I don't know the Craftsman's model number. The cover on the Craftsman one, this part right here, the lid was different. But other than that, the guts was the same. Got 2 of these today. The Linear model. Where is it? Oh. MCT2. Obviously the visor clip is stretched. Okay. Got another MCT-2. Got both of these today. Okay. Another keypad. I also got with those 2 remotes. 2 remotes, this, and a keychain remote, all for $10. This is the MKT, I believe. I don't really want to take it off because I don't want these to not stick again. Buttons to turn it on. You hit start, stop. The backlight comes on. Maybe. There it goes. Then you enter your code. Start, stop, and the door runs. Nice. Okay, and now grab my keys. This one's kind of surprise a little bit. Okay, last is this keychain. Here, a little click. It is model MD1211. So, yep, that's the little keychain. I don't know if the battery works or not. I don't even know if this lights up. I thought this lit up green or something. Oops, almost dropped it. I don't know what 34710 is. Maybe 34th week of 2010? 47th week of 2010? I don't even know. Yep, there we go. There's a look at all of my garage door related stuff. I do have one more. It's the 371LM. It's in my... It's on the visor of my car, but I was too lazy to go back out to the car tonight and get it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 things that I have now. Well, 15 if you count the 371LM. I forgot about that. Yeah, my collection has grown. We'll go over them one more time. 41A 7633, 953 CD, 778, 779, Genie ACT-3, 953 CB, 940-01, 940D, Guardian, I forget the model number, 303 RTX, Linear MCT-2, my bad. The other one, in case you don't believe me, okay, 953 EVC, 953 ESTD, 850 CB, and then the MD1211. That is all of my remote collection. Remotes, keypads. Oh, and the MKT, I believe. It's a big keypad. Ron Garage Door Man 82 shows us. Has this one too. I think it used to. They painted it. That's why this is white and this is a weird gray. Tan color. There we go. Hope you guys enjoyed the collection. Chat with you later.